We don't often get this nice weather. January in Toronto. Nice and sunny, hardly any wind. Très magnifique. Okay, we're going to take a couple paddles out with us now. Some people really panic. Canoe starts floating away from the dock. Wow, what's going to happen? Am I going to have to jump in? Really easy to pull them back in. Okay. When one gets in a canoe, we encourage people to put their paddle across the boat, step right in the middle, and get down in the boat before they take off from the dock. Much like a kayak, we like to get people to roll the boat around to get nice and comfy in the boat. This particular boat I like to use for these demonstrations because it's a very nice size for two people to paddle, but it's also a wonderful solo boat. I was very fortunate that I had parents that had a kids camp in Algonquin Park. I was born in May, and in June, at 1 month old, I was on an island in Algonquin Park, and I spent the first 13 summers of my life there. So I really learned a lot of paddling skills, and ended up